The EPOMAKER Aula F75 Max wireless mechanical keyboard is built for users who want premium performance, modern design, and flexible connectivity in a compact layout. This keyboard is designed to balance productivity, gaming, and everyday use, making it a strong choice for both casual users and enthusiasts. Its 75% layout keeps essential keys while saving desk space, creating a clean and efficient setup. From the first use, the typing experience feels smooth and satisfying. The mechanical switches are responsive and consistent, delivering clear feedback with every keystroke. Whether you are typing documents, chatting online, or playing games, the keyboard remains accurate and comfortable. The stabilizers are well-tuned, reducing unwanted noise and keeping larger keys steady and balanced. One of the most impressive features of this keyboard is its multi-mode connectivity. It supports wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections, allowing easy switching between multiple devices such as laptops, tablets, and desktops. This makes it ideal for users who work across different platforms. The wireless performance remains stable, with low latency that works well even during fast-paced gaming sessions. The build quality of the F75 Max feels solid and premium. The sturdy frame gives it durability, while the compact size makes it easy to carry or reposition. The keycaps are designed to resist wear and maintain their texture over time, ensuring long-lasting visual appeal and comfort. The adjustable feet also help users find the perfect typing angle. RGB lighting adds another layer of customization. The backlight is bright, evenly distributed, and easy to personalize through software or onboard controls. Users can choose from multiple lighting effects and colors to match their setup or mood. This makes the keyboard visually appealing without being distracting. Battery life is strong, allowing extended wireless use without frequent charging. Power-saving features help maximize usage time, making it dependable for daily work and long gaming sessions. Charging is simple and fast, ensuring minimal downtime. Overall, the EPOMAKER Aula F75 Max wireless mechanical keyboard delivers excellent value with its smooth typing feel, versatile connectivity, solid construction, and customizable lighting. It stands out as one of the best compact mechanical keyboards for users who want performance, style, and flexibility in one reliable package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.